Let's take it over to Joel Hawthorne, founder of the Morning Snapshot, for our final trade of the day. Hello to you, Joel.
Hi, Angie. Thanks for having me. Today, I'm taking a look at Apple. I think Apple is one of those names right now that definitely I think is a bargain at these price levels. I think currently trading 155 and change. The 52-week high is about 179.61. So I do believe that there's some upward price action we can revisit if the bulls can continue and be resilient as they've shown here for the first 2.5 months or so of the market, of the calendar year, excuse me. I think right now, to start the year, we all heard the doom and gloom of the bears being very aggressive and how we could potentially revisit some of last year's lows in the month of October of last year. But here we are in March, and we are trading above 4,000 in the S&P 500. So it just goes to show you something I've been saying many times on your show about the resiliency of the market and how I've been someone who knows that on some of those darker days when the market does have the pullback, I've paid very close attention to how the market just bids higher, lo and behold. So this is something I'm watching very closely. But I think a broader view of what's going on in the market that we definitely have to pay close attention to, the intraday volatility that we see around options trading. I think there's also paying a close attention to bond yields and the dollar. These are all narratives that I think will coincide with how aggressively the bulls can sustain at these levels. And if the bulls can continue this optimism and this bullish momentum, then I think we could see a name like Apple and other big tech names really start to bid higher. So I'm very optimistic there if that can continue. But again, we've seen before many times that when some of these names get crowded and we've seen a change in direction, a sudden change in direction, that I have to practice my risk management always and be very nimble in my approach. So Apple's on my list of now. It's on my watch list. And we'll see what happens, but definitely being optimistic here for the short term.
Always managing your risk. Thank you, Joel.
Thank you very much, Angie, and have a great day.
Go to businessfirstam.com for where to see our show on TV.